Warren Buffett controls a $98 billion business empire at Berkshire Hathaway, yet his daily life remains famously modest. This creates a stark contrast with the millions of Americans who feel trapped in a cycle where a standard paycheck barely covers the rising cost of basic survival. The primary culprit is lifestyle inflation. Consider someone earning $75,000 a year who manages to save 20% of their income. If they receive a $10,000 raise, the trap begins to close. This diagram illustrates the shift. In many households, that new $10,000 is immediately absorbed by new expenses. Instead of increasing their net worth, the individual's savings rate actually plummets. Buffett noted this tendency in an address at the University of Florida, observing that the chains of habit are often too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. To escape that cycle, we have to look past the visible symbols of wealth and examine the specific habits that actually generate it. Much of this financial drain stems from the social pressure to match or exceed the lifestyle of friends, family, or neighbors. When you see a neighbor with a brand new luxury car or an oversized house, it's easy to feel envious. But in reality, many of those people are drowning in debt to maintain a curated image. This social competition often leads people to operate without a structured budget, allowing money to slip away in small, unmonitored increments. It also creates the danger of impulsive shopping. Buying unnecessary items simply because they are on sale is one of the fastest ways to wreck a financial future. Since true wealth is often silent, the effort to look rich frequently results in a direct path to bankruptcy. Beyond social habits, money bleeds out through simple lack of tracking. Without a record of expenditures, impulse purchases and dining out can quietly consume a paycheck before the month is over. A larger operational leak comes from tax overpayment. Failing to plan for your tax obligation can heavily damage your personal financial stability. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or an IRA is the first step toward legally keeping more of your income. Stacking deductions like charitable donations or mortgage interest further protects your earnings. Ignoring these financial operations turns small daily leaks into a state of permanent financial distress. Buffett's approach to growing wealth departs from the standard diversification strategies often taught on Wall Street. He views broad diversification as a protection against ignorance, a sound strategy for those who can't analyze businesses, but illogical for those who do. Over-diversification dilutes returns. For an investor with an edge, concentrating capital into a few niches allows much higher growth. Buffett also warns against using leverage, or borrowed money, to invest. He believes leverage is the one thing that can bankrupt a smart, disciplined person during a sudden financial disaster. Successful portfolios rely on the quality of the assets you hold, ensuring no one else ever has the power to pull the plug on your finances. Financial freedom is the result of automated, productive habits, rather than random luck or neighborhood comparisons. The 50-30-20 rule provides a timeless framework for this. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and automatically move 20% into savings and investments at the start of every month. This aligns with Buffett's core philosophy that your greatest asset, regardless of inflation or taxes, is your own talent and your ability to increase your value. Ultimately, financial independence provides the freedom to do exactly what you want every single day. To learn Charlie Munger's perspective on why most people stay broke, click the video on your screen now. Reason number 2 offers an insight into money and life that rarely gets discussed in traditional finance. See you there.